Hey guys, Jen here from Electric Engine. Yesterday, Shopify went live with Shopify Reunite, where they announced trends and changes to their platform. These changes are going to benefit the consumer and the merchant. I'm going to share my top takeaways with you. Starting with Shop Pay installments. Buyers will be able to split their purchases into 4 equal payments with no extra fees or interest. This will help consumers, especially when it comes to large or impulse purchases. For merchants, it will help increase conversion rates. Shopify Capital. Merchants can apply for funding from Shopify. Merchants can receive anywhere between $200 and $1 million. There is no personal credit check, and Shopify doesn't take a percentage of your business. Moving on to the Express theme. This is a one-page theme that gives consumers an easy shopping experience and helps new merchants set up their store quickly. This is great for those who are unfamiliar with Shopify and used to in-person transactions. Next, we have multiple store domains. Merchants no longer need multiple stores to service different countries, languages, and currencies. There is an exchange rate feature that automatically is applied so buyers can buy in their local currency and merchants will receive theirs. Shopify Point of Sale. A new smart grid feature is customizable for your business. Apps can be embedded and staff can be assigned certain roles. Email. The Shopify email tool pulls data directly from your website. Over 30 million emails have been sent so far using the tool, and the pro version is free until October. Faster product creation. We all know we spend the most time creating our products on Shopify. Now you can create drafts and archives of product pages to collaborate with your team before launching. Local delivery. Smaller merchants can already use this function, and Curbside Pickup will be available soon. Features of Curbside Pickup will include choosing a time for pickup and letting merchants know when you're outside and ready. Finally, Shopify Balance. Merchants will be given the tools to pay their bills and make business decisions directly through Shopify. Merchants will also receive a Shopify card for in-person transactions or using an ATM. Check out my article for more insights on Shopify Reunite. Thanks for watching.